Welcome to RAO Chemistry Academy. Today our problem is this. This problem came in recent JEE Mains exam in 2026, 2nd April morning shift. First try to understand the problem. This is the problem which is related to stoichiometric calculations. Stoichiometric calculation, that is the concept which is there in some basic concepts of chemistry in +1. What is the problem? What they are given, what they are asking, first try to understand. The mass of iron converted into Fe3O4 by the action of 18 grams of steam is, these are the options. After reading this problem, first we need to write the chemical equation. Mass of iron means here iron is reacting with steam. It will be converted into Fe3O4 and hydrogen gas. After writing unbalanced chemical equation, compulsory we need to balance the chemical equation according to law of conservation of mass. That means mass is neither created nor destroyed. So that we need to solve the problem. We need to write the balanced chemical equation. In product side, 3 irons are there, so that you need to take 3 before iron. Product side, 4 oxygens are there, take 4 before H2O. 4 oxygens are balanced, but 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens are there in reactant side, so that we need to take 4 before hydrogen, H2. Now it is balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Now try to understand what is given in the problem, what they are asking. The mass of iron converted into Fe3O4 by the action of 18 grams of steam. The mass of iron they are asking. What is given means 18 grams of steam is given. They are here data is there for iron and water, H2. There is a link in between iron and steam. In the problem, Fe3O4 is there, but they are not asking anything about that. First, we need to find relation exists in between in the chemical equation. In this problem, they are asking about iron, about water. They are given 18 grams. So that I know that from the balanced chemical equation, I know that 3 moles of iron reacting with 4 moles of H2O. 3 moles of iron reacting with 4 moles of H2O. First write like this. After balancing the chemical equation, relation exists in between these iron and steam, so that you need to take the 2 from the balanced chemical equation. What is the meaning of this balanced chemical equation? When 3 moles of iron is reacting with 4 moles of steam, they can produce 1 mole of Fe3O4 and 4 moles of H2. We need the mass of iron. Here 3 moles of iron. Here iron mass is 56. Iron mass is 56. 56. Already in my channel I explained atomic mass and gram atomic mass. Here this is the mass of iron. If that mass is in AMU, that means 56 AMU is equals to 1 iron. 56 grams contains Avogadro number of iron atoms, that is equals to 1 mole. That means 56 grams of iron is equals to 1 mole of iron. 1 mole of iron. The mass in AMU contains 1 atom. The mass in grams contains Avogadro number of atoms, so that it is equals to 1 mole. In my channel clearly I explained that concept. 56 grams of iron is equals to 1 mole of iron. 1 mole of iron. Next, about water. H2O. H2O is a molecule. Its mass equal to 18. Its mass equal to 18. How to get that 18? Each hydrogen mass is 1. 2 hydrogens are there. Their mass equal to 2. 1 oxygen. 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Here also I explained this is molecule. Molecule has molecular mass and gram molecular mass. 18 AMU contains 1 molecule of H2O. 18 grams contains Avogadro number of H2Os. It is equals to 1 mole. 18 grams of H2O is equals to 1 mole of H2O. From this data we will solve this problem. Here 3 moles of iron. 3 into 1 mole of iron equals to how many grams? 56 grams. 56 grams is equals to 4 moles. 1 mole of H2O equals to 18 grams. 3 into 56 grams of iron, 4 into 18 grams of H2O. This is the data from the problem. This is the data from the equation, not problem. This is the data from the equation, balanced chemical equation. This is the data from the balanced chemical equation. But our problem data is different. Our problem data is different. What is the meaning of this? When 3 into 56 grams of iron reacting with 4 into 18 grams of water. These many grams of iron reacting with these many grams of water. This is the data from the equation, but our problem data is different. These many grams of iron from the balanced chemical equation, I know that these many grams of iron is reacting with these many grams of water. Now our problem data is different. Our problem data is different. Our problem data is different. When 18 grams of steam is reacting with how many grams of iron? 18 grams of H2O reacting with how many grams of iron? How many grams of iron? That is our problem. Cross multiple. X. Now cross multiple x into 4 into 18. These two you need to multiple. X into 4 into 18 is equals to these two multiple. Both are equal. Cross multiple. 3 into 56 into 18. 18 cancel. 4 ones, 4 fours, 14s. 4 14s. Next, x is equals to 3 into 14. 14 3s, 42 grams. 42 grams. This is our answer. 42 grams. One more point. Here the answer is 42. This is a redox reaction. This is redox reaction. Here its oxidation state is 0, hydrogen oxidation state is +1, oxygen is -2. Here Fe3O4 is a mixed oxide, FeO plus Fe2O3. Here iron oxidation state is +2, oxygen is -2, iron +3, oxygen is -2, hydrogen oxidation state is 0. This is redox reaction. Here H plus 1 is converted into 0, means gain of electron. Gain of electron means reduction. It is reduction. It is reduced like this. It is reduced like this. Who gave that electron? Means iron gave electron. So that iron is reducing agent. Reducing agent. H plus is converted into 0, means gains electron. Gain of electron is called a reduction. Who gave that electron? Means iron, so that it is a reducing agent. Iron 0 is converted into +2 and +3, means loss of electron. Iron is oxidized. H2O is reduced. H2O is oxidizing agent. H2O is oxidizing agent and Fe is reducing agent.